Many people have emailed me asking me to know how many view a post has on their website. So first open your dashboard and here first all posts and here no option for view and go to plugin and add new and write post view counter and first one install and active. After active we check this post dashboard. Here add count. Okay, first open admin post plug visit site and admin post and that is admin post is 0. Now refresh this page. Here count is 1. Admin test back admin test or admin test this one and here is 0 and refresh this page and add 1. Okay, thank you.